Guys, what's up? I'm at Bunnings here, and this is the play area. That's Bunnings. Play area. So let's go up here, into the slide. Action. Woo! Yeah, Ma. Let's have one more slide. My shoes are off. Come on, let's go. It's not gonna be fun. Let's go. And if you guys lie down, it's gonna be even fun. So there's some hiding places. If you want to stay here like for all night, like, because they're close to like 12 or something, you just hide under there. Can you guys all see that? Yeah, it's under there. Let's hide under there. So let's try to go up the slide. Huh? Nè. What the? Báo coi. We're going up. Yes! Look at all the people. How you doing, people? Dad, Baba. Let's go down it. Oh, we gotta climb it up. And here we go. Action. Whee! That was fun. So lay down. Let's go up. It's really hard. If it's just small, you see?